In Idaho legislative news, the House of Representatives on Tuesday passed a bill that would outlaw gender-affirming medical care for transgender minors. House Bill 71 would prohibit surgeries, hormone therapies, and cross-sex medications, and providers of such care could face a 10-year prison sentence.
Can parents and counselors decide to permanently deprive a minor of the right to procreate that's protected by our Constitution? Before those children have legal capacity to consent to such things? No, should not be. There's a host of things that parents cannot consent to on behalf of a child. They should not be allowed to consent to the sterilization of another human being, even if it's their own child.
The parents of gender-diverse kids are loving parents. They are generally learning as they go on this journey, and this journey demonstrates that they are open to what their children are experiencing, and that something wonderful is happening in these families where children can approach their parents and tell them about this scary thing that they're experiencing. And it's something that can be hard to talk about. So when we talk about these parents, they're open, loving, and really trying to do the best for their kids.
I am conflicted with this bill because there's too many parts in it. If it just said, let's not allow the surgery, my green light's on very quickly, and that's an easy decision. But when I'm taking away these, the parents' rights, and that's what we fight so desperately, and we say the parents have unalienable rights to make decisions for their children, but now, since we don't understand or we don't like this topic, we're going to say, no, parent, I'm sorry, we are the legislature and we know more and we know better what is important and what your child needs. And that bothers me greatly.
There is no one else who is better suited to make a decision about what is right for a particular child than the parent. And I support that principle wholeheartedly. I also believe that there are circumstances where even a parent does not have authority. And we see those examples in our state statutes prohibiting physical abuse and other types of harm, specific harm to a child.
The bill moves on to the Senate following a 58-12 vote, with just one Republican, Representative Matt Bundy of Mountain Home, siding with the Democrats in opposition.